Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring your plan and phone are ready. Verify your carrier allows tethering and enable mobile data. This prevents surprises mid-setup. Once done, disable airplane mode if it's on. Now open Settings, then tap Network and Internet or Connections, depending on your Android skin, to reach tethering options. Doing this first gets you straight to the controls without redundant steps, so you can create a hotspot quickly and avoid accidental data blocks from power-saving features. You're now configuring the hotspot itself. Tap Hotspot and Tethering, then Mobile Hotspot to edit details. Name the network so you can identify it and choose WPA2 or WPA3 security for reasonable protection, then set a strong password. Make sure to pick the best band too. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, based on your devices. Also, set a device limit to avoid unexpected data use. These choices control who connects and how fast, so take a moment to optimize. Now toggle Mobile Hotspot on and watch the notification area for its active status. That confirms broadcasting. Connect other devices via Wi-Fi or use USB or Bluetooth tethering if you prefer a wired or low-power link. Once connected, test web access to confirm functionality. If something fails, restart the hotspot and your phone, confirm you haven't hit your data cap, and try resetting network settings if necessary. This often resolves stubborn IP or DHCP issues and get.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.